At 10:56 p.m. Eastern Time on July 20, 1969, Neil Armstrong places his left foot on the surface of the moon and famously declares, "That's one small step for man and a giant leap for mankind." Yes, the historic day July 20 when man first stepped on the moon. Hello all, today I'll be speaking about how the National Moon Day came into being. National Moon Day is celebrated on July 20 every year to commemorate the day man first walked on the moon. Apollo 11, the space flight that carried three astronauts, Neil Armstrong, Edwin Aldrin, and Michael Collins, blasted off the Earth on July 16, 1969. 4 days later, on July 20, 1969, Neil Armstrong and Aldrin placed foot on the moon. Collins stayed in orbit doing experiments and taking pictures. Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the moon. He and Aldrin did experiments and collected 47.5 pounds of lunar surface before coming back to Earth. They placed on the US flag and put a sign on the surface of the moon before returning. On July 24, 1969, the three astronauts reached back home safely, carrying with them history. This mission is what led to the International Moon Day. Since then, we have had 6 missions to the moon, and this indeed it was a small step for man and a giant leap for mankind. Thank you.